What's up, everybody? Welcome to Queer Girl Straight Skates. I'm Rebel, and today I'm gonna teach you how to walk up and down stairs in your roller skates. Queer Girl Straight Skates is a YouTube channel full of roller skating tutorials, reviews, general roller skating lifestyle videos. So if you've been skating forever and ever, or if you really think skating is interesting and you want to be a part of it, then I highly recommend that you subscribe and you hit that notification bell so that you can get alerted every time I post. I upload new videos every week on Tuesdays. We decided to go to the beach. It's super common when you're going to a beach path, you might have to walk up and down stairs in order to get to the actual path that you're going to be skating on. The first way that I'm going to teach you how to go upstairs is by walking sideways. So you're going to put your feet in kind of a duck position. So your toes are pointing outward. And with your momentum moving forward, your toes and like the front inside toe box of your skate is going to kind of hit the back of the stair that is coming up next. And it's going to stabilize you as you walk up the stair. The next type of going upstairs I'm going to teach you how to do is by using your toe stops. So in order to do this, you need to be comfortable on your toe stops first. But honestly, this is like a really great way to practice being on your toe stops as well, especially if there's some kind of railing. So you're gonna use your toe stops, and when you're walking on your toe stops, you're going to also be stabilizing yourself with your front two wheels. And so you're going to bend your knees a lot and then use that balance on your toe stops to walk up the stairs. You can go forward, you can go to the side. I prefer going to the side, but I know a lot of people who prefer going forward, and it's just based on preference. When you're a little bit more advanced and you can do the duck walk and you don't have to actually use any railings at all, you can definitely do this without using the railings. I would say this is the most stable way to walk upstairs without railings. Putting your weight forward, making sure those knees are bent, and pushing into the step that you're going into when you step up. Now let's talk about going down the stairs. So the first type of going down the stairs is walking on all four of each skate's wheels, and you're gonna go down sideways. So you can either cross over your own skate, but that can often trip you up, or you can just take it one step at a time, step with one foot, and then match with the other foot. The only dangerous thing about this one is that sometimes, as you can see here, like your skates can kind of roll out from underneath you. So if you're going to do this, you need to really make sure those knees are bent, because if not, it could be a mess. But when you have a railing, it usually has your back. All right, next we're gonna talk about going down on your toe stops. This is another way to go downstairs. You are going to, I think it's best to hold on to a railing when you're doing this one. You're gonna, the same way as when you're going up the stairs on your toe stops, you're gonna get on your toe stops, you're gonna bend your knees a lot, and you're gonna step from step to step. I wouldn't recommend taking multiple steps at once, but rather just stepping with one foot down and then matching with the next foot. This is what it looks like from my perspective looking down. This is what your legs will look like going down the stairs on your toe stops. And the final way to go down the stairs is to go down the stairs on your toe stops in the same kind of way as the last time. But in this time, what you're doing is you're gonna go down backwards. This, I think, is the best, easiest, and safest way to go down the stairs is to go backwards on your toe stops. Especially if you have that railing to hold on to. For some reason, it's just like a little bit more secure. For me, it's specifically secure. And yeah, so those are some ways to go up and down stairs while you are on your roller skates. Thank you so much for watching this episode of Queer Girl Straight Skates. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have anything else that you want me to teach you how to do, please put it down in the comments below and I will make a tutorial video for you. Or if I don't know how to do that thing, I will find someone to come in and teach you whatever it is that you want to learn. I hope you're having a wonderful day. If you want to support me, I have a whole website, cheerstothequeers.com, where you can buy my merch. And also, if you want to support me further, you can become a Patreon, where I make vlogs and stuff every week. But most importantly, cheers to the queers!